Hi and welcome back everyone. Today I'm here with this traditional and healthy jackfruit dosa. Let me tell you a few facts about this superfood. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants and are high in vitamin A in addition to other vitamins and minerals. They are also high in protein and low in calories, which makes it a good choice either for breakfast or even dinner. Have a look at the cleaning and the cutting process of the jackfruit. Once the jackfruit pieces are ready, it's time to make the dosa. Soak about 3 cups of dosa rice, either overnight or about 3 to 4 hours. You need equal quantities of rice and jackfruit pieces. Now add the rice to a mixie jar. Add little water, just enough to grind. Grind it into a smooth paste. Repeat this process with the rest of the rice. Now add the jackfruit pieces. A little water. Grind it smooth and add it to the rice batter. Repeat. Now mix everything well. Add salt. This is the consistency you should get. Now the batter is ready. Heat up a tawa and spread the dosa as shown. Cover and cook. Now add ghee or coconut oil. Allow the dosa to roast well. And it's done. Crispy and healthy jackfruit dosa is ready to be served either with coconut chutney or honey or both. Do try out this wonderful recipe and make the most of this superfood this summer. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye-bye.